I'm Steve Rhode, and you're still not. Hello, Fairfax County. All right, I got my coffee in hand, and today I'm doing something a little different. Stick with me. There's no good news stories, but a quick note about something very important. And also, I got your dad joke at the end. It's safe for the kiddos in the cars. I wouldn't leave you hanging. So here's the deal. I just cleaned up the email list for the daily notifications. And if you weren't regularly engaging with those emails, opening them, clicking something, that kind of thing, you may have been washed away in the cleaning. I know that sounds harsh, but here's why I did it. I want to make sure the emails are actually reaching people who want them. When too many people are on the list and not opening them, well, that can hurt deliverability for everyone. Email providers start thinking, nobody wants this crap. And then even the people who do want it stop getting them in their inbox. So I did a little washy-washy and cleaned house. If you're still getting the daily emails, you're good. Nothing changed for you. But if you were on the list and you're not getting them anymore, and you actually do want them, here's the good news. Here's how you can hop right back on anytime you want. Just go to tapyournews.com and resubscribe to Good Morning Fairfax County. Takes like 10 seconds. Put it in your email, confirm it, and you'll start getting the daily good news notifications again every morning. And look, if you got removed and you're thinking, I wasn't really reading them anyway, that's totally fine. No hard feelings. But if you want them or you miss them, come back. Doors always open. Tapyournews.com. Just look for the Good Morning Fairfax County and easy to resubscribe. No problem. So, you ready for your dad joke before I let you go? When does a joke become a dad joke? When the punchline becomes apparent. Was that worth waiting for? I thought it was pretty clever. All right, I will see you tomorrow. Resubscribe if you don't want to be missed. It's not you, it's me. All right, love you. Bye.